Good afternoon, class. My name is Alexander O'Donnell, and I wanted to take a couple minutes to cover week two's reading with you guys, which was chapters 6 through 8 in our textbook, A Speaker in Progress. I really want to focus mostly on chapters 6 and 7, where I found the most beneficial information for myself. Starting off in chapter 6, they really covered the use of note cards in your public speeches, which I thought was really cool. Both outlines and note cards, transferring your outlines to your note cards, the ways that you want to make your outline. But what I really liked and I really found beneficial was how you can use your note cards not only for reminders on the context of your speech or the content of your speech and the structure as you move through it, but you can also put in there reminders to yourself, which is a really cool tool to use. You can tell yourself, slow down your speech, have more eye contact with the audience, or to breathe more, to use more clairvoyance or diction in your speech, and really just coach yourself, be your own coach through your speech, through the use of note cards, which I thought was really cool. And as they put it, it's your own secret weapon for public speaking. Moving on to chapter 7, I found a lot of stuff in this chapter that I want to implement into my public speaking. One of the instances of important information that I found was using examples in your speech, and it kind of tells you how to use examples and why examples are important. If you're covering really complex stuff, you're talking on something that not everyone has a lot of knowledge on, using an example, hypothetical or a real example, can go a long way in getting your audience to connect to your message. Having them just listen to your words and trying to apply the information that you're giving them to their life can be kind of hard. So if you give them an example to go along with that information, it can connect, or they can be more related to the information that you're putting out. Also, what I found important in chapter 7 was the use of statistics in your speeches. It kind of tells you, you can round up and you can round down your statistics if you need, just if you're rambling off long numbers, shorten that and that's okay. Also, it's okay to show your statistics in the form of a graph or a chart, which I found to be really cool as well, because that for me is a lot easier to digest than just hearing a number. And then the third thing was that they covered that I found important in chapter 7 was oral citations, how to do it, what you need to include, like the author name, the date information on your reference, and also what kind of reference it was. So that's what I found to be most important in week 2's reading. I hope that you guys agree with me and that you took something away from my speech today. Thank you.